place or a better website to get paid with paper accounts, or are you looking for a way to work and get paid with Bitcoin? If your answer is yes, then you have to stick with me in this video, because I'm going to show you a bonus tip that you'll be able to get massive income from this app. I'm going to show you. All that you need to do is what, to just go to this website and get. Okay guys, so that's by the way. Before we continue with the video, this is my channel Shapiro Acid, and guys, I do video about how to make money online. So if you're first time on my channels here, what I do is that I go to the market and see what is working in the market, what people are doing to make money online. I come here on my channel, record a video about it, and to show you the best method to also make money online. So you can see I have a bunch of videos who are talking about how to make money online. So if you know a friend up there, or you are up there looking for a way to make money online, guys, then my channel here or my videos here are good for you. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best way to get paid with paper or Bitcoin. So if you're somebody up there who is in need of money or who need a Bitcoin to trade, just stick to the video, and at the end I'm going to show you a bonus tip that you'll be able to get massive income than the one I do. Yes, I make a lot of money from this app that I'm going to show you, but I'm going to show you how you are going to do it to get a massive income than the one I do. So without us actually, please, I hope by now you keep you have subscribed to my channel, you have liked the video, you have comments, guys. All that will do to me is that will enable you, or that will enable YouTube to notify you anytime I drop more videos when you subscribe. So I urge all of you up there to subscribe to my channel and watch out for more videos, because I have a lot of more incredible videos that I'll be showing or I'll be talking about very soon. So without much I said, that was much I do, let's go hop into the video. So guys, here you are on my laptop screen, and I'm going to show you everything on Scratch. And before I'll continue again, I would like to say that this app I'm going to show you work worldwide. It doesn't matter the device that you are using. If you are using an iPhone, Android phone, a laptop, any iPad, anything you are using, yes, it's work on it, and it's work worldwide. Whether you are in USA, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Africa country, anywhere you are, guys, this app will surely work for you. So that much I do, let's go straight to the app. Okay, so guys, when we are on my Google search bar, we are going to search for what we call the points. Okay, so point price. Okay, so guys, that's the name of the app that we are going to use in this video. And guys, before I'll forget and I say anything else, this the link to this app will be on the description box below. So try and click on the one in the description box below, and you get a bonus for what using that link in the description box below. So that much I say, let's just go up into the video real quick. Okay, so when you search for this name I'll show you at the top here, that's point price. We are going to get something here. You can see the top one here, they say what we should do. What, let me just show you quickly. They say what sorry, endpoint claim free gift cards. Yes guys, so as I said, you can endpoint or you can get free Bitcoin for doing all these things here. Let's go to this question. Somebody's asking this question here. They said is points price real? So let's just look at the answer that they gave us real quick guys. So let's go quick. You can say they said what is price. Okay, this one legit. And they said what, it's a way to make money online, but you must work smarter and harder, and that's the only difference that we have here. You must work harder. So when you're here, all that you need to do here is, so when you're here, the first thing you need to do is just click on the first link at the top here. So when you click on this link, it will take you to this place, as you can see. So they are telling us that what endpoint claim your free Bitcoin instant free gift code, okay, from surveys and offers. So all that you need to do here, all that you need to do on this channel here is to input their email here and agree with their policies and continue with whatever they are going to comply you with. But guys, I don't want to use my real email for that, because I don't want them to be sending me ads and any kind of this thing. And those of you who like to do this without using your email, I will show you how you are going to get a free email to use without getting any logout. Yes, without getting logout. Okay, so those of you who like to use your email can go ahead using your email, and those of you who don't like us to be receiving ads like the way I also don't like receiving ads, all that you need to do is that just go back to your Google browser and type in temp mail. Okay, sorry, it looks like I've done a mistake there. Temp mail .io. Okay, so something like temp mail .io. Okay, so you search for it real quick. Okay, so guys, you go for the, it seems I normally use the first one here. Yes, okay, real quick. Guys, you go for the second one here. Let me just show you how you go for the second one here, the one who says what, temmail.io. this one, the second one here. So all that you need to do, and guys, you can even change the you can even change it, and you can even delete it and ask for new one. So here, just click on copy real quick. You can say your email was copied, so let's go back here and let me just paste it here. So paste. Okay, and click on, oh sorry, I have to agree their policy. So click on I agree to the policy. You can go ahead and read their policy, whether you see whether it's fake or not. So let me just scroll down. Let me just show you something quickly before you can see here we have instant payment founded on 2016. So this app is working from 2016 up to date, and it's available worldwide, as I told you. And you have a daily bonuses that you receive anytime you log into the app. So these are the things that you'll be getting for free. When you have enough points, you can get Amazon card, you can get towards a paper account, you can get iTunes card, and you can get a free amount of money. You'll be able to get it here. So you can see you have a lot of questions here that they add that you can know more about this app. You can see how can I collect points. So let me just look at this quickly. Okay, so you guys see you can earn points by participating in free surveys and offers. So this is how you'll be able to get points. There are also a possibility to earn by playing games and watching promotional videos, as you can see on the screen here. So that's the way you can be able to get free points here to redeem your coins. And this question is telling us that what are free gift card code. Okay, so let's go here. And guys, don't worry, as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to give you this gift card code for free. Yes, I'm going to give you for free that you use to redeem your money every day for free, without you playing games, the one that they said there, without you doing any of these things here. So just relax, stick to the video, and I'm going to give you the code that you use everyday life. So don't just stick to the video. So without wasting much time, let's just hop up real quick, and with giving your email and click on what to get started real quick. So let's wait for it to load real quick. Fast. I don't want to make this video too long. And guys, while it's loading, oh, okay, it seems like my network is very disturbing today. Let me just try again. Yeah, okay guys, you can see it's loading. So whilst waiting, I'll plead with you all, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more videos. And what that will do is that you'll be the first to be notified on YouTube that I'll drop another make money online video, and you'll be the first to watch. And if there is any giveaway in that video, you'll be the first to redeem that giveaway or get that giveaway. And don't forget to share it to your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. So without all much I say, let's just hop up into the video real quick. Okay, so real quick. Okay guys, so here we are. You can see how it looks like. You can see I have my balance here, 0, ending 0, spending 0. Yes, I created this account with you all just to show you how you'll be able to get all those money from it. That's why I created this account with you all. So this is our referral code that when you share it for somebody, we get paid for what gift card and all those kind of things that they said is. So all that you need to do. Okay. Quickly. Let me just look at something real quick. Okay, so here you are, and somebody asked me, so Shapiro, I said, what are we going to do here? Don't worry, I'm going to show you the reason why we are here and what we will be doing here to make our money. So you can see they say what this here saying what gets $10 Amazon gift card by posting a short video about this on TikTok. So when you post a short video about this on TikTok, you get free 10. Oh guys, it's not that cool. It's very cool. Yes, just by posting a short video about them on your TikTok page, you get this amount of money. So guys, it's very much cool that everybody up there can do. It's up there. So when I hear what you are going to do, let's just go to the earnings real quick. Let me show you something real quick. Okay, it's loading fast. Quick. Okay, so guys, here we are. So you can see we have a lot of surveys here that you do your survey. We have a lot of surveys here. Then when you click on it, they will just ask you petty questions, and you get paid for doing all those petty questions like what's your name, your date of birth, and all those things. Guys, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll not hop up in showing you how you'll be able to answer those questions. So when you're ready for those questions, just click on it, and you can see you could see that it's just petty questions. They will not ask any hard question. Yes, they will not ask any hard question. So it's just petty questions. So let's just go to the reward real quick, and let me show you the bonus tip that I have for you in this video. Okay, so you can see the rewards too. You can get a free Amazon card, as I said at the beginning, free paper, and free Bitcoin. Yes, so our main focus in this video is on the paper and the Bitcoin. So what are you going to do? What you are going to do is that, let me just go back quickly. Let me show you what we are here to do. Quick. Oh, okay. I have to. Before I forget, after this, they have to send out an email now you used to confirm. So you just go to where you have gotten our free email from. You have to receive an email here that you have to confirm our email real quick and start with it. Okay, let me just hop up to the step again. Let me just click on login and register. Okay, let me just give them the email. Okay, I agree with their policy and click on register. Real quick. Okay. Real quick. So we have to receive a message here. You have to receive a message here that you use to, let me just refresh the page here. You have to receive an email here that will tell us to confirm our code. And those of you who have used your real email, you have to get it here. Guys, you can see that I just log out and log in again. You can see that I have at this point, I have the points as you can see on the screen here. And guys, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how you'll be able to get a massive income here. That's what I'm here to do. But it seems like the email that I've used, I'm getting a lot of problem here. Yes, I'm getting some problem here. You have to get an email. Okay, let me just okay, quick. Let me just see what I can do here. So okay guys, so as you can see that at the time of recording this video, I'm just getting out, the points is just increasing. Yeah, so when I have gotten enough points, all that I need to do here is just come to the rewards and choose the one that maybe I would like to draw with paper. So I'll just choose the one that I will draw with paper, and I have to get like what 200 points, and it's even easy. Yeah guys, it's even easy to get these points. It's very easy to get these points, and that's by the way that we go with it, and you draw your points quickly, forget it. And guys, the bonus tip is that every day you have to be logging inside this app, and the more you log inside this app, that's the more you're going to get the money here. Yeah, the only thing they need is that you have to log inside this app. But guys, to be sincere with you, to be frankly speaking, what I learned from this video is that this is their new app that they have done. Guys, at first their app is not like this. Yes, at first the time that we are using it, because I was using this app back then in 2019 that I use it. So I have a coupon code that I used to generate more passive income from here, as you can see on the screen here. So you can see that we have something here like points puzzle hack coupon codes. Yeah, so these are the codes I want to share with you before that you can use to hack it for free, as you can see here. But I realized that they have updated their website, their platform. So let me just go. They have updated their platform. So okay, so that guys, that's it up there. So that's the end. You can come here and end. And guys, as I was saying, as I told you earlier, that they have updated their software. Sorry, the app. So those of you who are using it on phone or on laptop, yeah, this is not how it is. So without me getting you into trouble, when I went to the review, I saw a review on online. You can see you have something. They said what their new site is a scam. When you get the reward amount, they will hide the gift card so that you can't redeem it. Yes, and as you can see, they said their new scam. Sorry, their new site. Yes, so guys, as first I was using their old site, and guys, it's really paying. But this one is their real site, so I don't know much about this. I don't know if it's a scam or not. You can see the points are just increasing. So I will do more investigation about this and make it known to you in my next video before I start with the whatever I have for you. So comment below, let me know if it's working and how it's a scam, so I will do a video about it, exposing them that this app is not good here. So with that much I say, this is the app I have for you today. I've used it back then, so I forgot to do a video about it. I just remember today that let me just record a video about this app to show you that this app is really working at first. So without much I say, guys, if you think that what I'm doing in this video, really appreciate it. All that I need to do and all that I need you to do for me is just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more massive videos. And guys, I have a lot of videos in stock that I'm going to draw, so just subscribe and stay tuned for any update that will be coming very soon. And see you in my next video. As I promise you, I'll try my possible best releasing video 2 times in a week. Yeah, so 2 times in a week. So I think this is my second video for the week, and this is my first video for the week. So with that much I say, see you in my next video. I'm out.